I will drain the 1 pack of firm tofu. I will cover with paper towels. Keep it for 10 minutes in the container. Here are some parts of the ingredients to mix with tofu. They are miso, mustard, olive oil, and salt. And also, I will use rice vinegar too. If you like sweet taste, you can add honey too. I put drained tofu into blender and mix until it will become smooth. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I put 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. I put 2 tablespoons of miso. I put 1 teaspoon of salt. I put 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Yellow mustard is also good. I mix them together until the sauce becomes smooth. I put the sauce into a container and keep it in fridge. I put the remaining sauce into an airtight container like a jar. You can keep it in fridge for 3 or 4 days.